kwentuhan. Kwentuhan tayo for today. Binigyan ako ng assignment. My mom gave me an assignment to separate the 10 cents coin. How to separate yung mga merong butas tapos yung walang butas, guys.
So, ano yung may butas?
5 cents ata. Ay, 5 cents ma'am. And it makes sense naman. Gets nyo? It makes sense naman. Guys, para gawin daw to ng dumbbell for my mom. I don't know why she wanted me to separate the 10 cents. Kasi parang ano naman din sila eh. Same naman sila. It doesn't make sense.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah, it's so fun to play with these coins. I want to keep the ano. So guys, oh, ang dami, ang bigat. It's so bigat. Tingnan ko lang kung hindi papayat yung mami ko dito na gawing dumbbell. Ang dami, guys. Wow. Sa mamshi ko kasi ito, guys. Nangongolekta siya ng ganito, guys. And I'm separating them. They are dirty because they are old. Unlike me, because I am young and I make sense. Ay, ba't may malaki dito, guys?
Separate mo yan. Hindi to money. Ito, ano to eh? Hindi to Pilipino eh.
Yeah, it is from Tom's World. Yung ano, yung nasa SM ba?
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
The segregation of 10 cents and 5 cents.
Ano to?
With butas.
It is, ano to? Guys, gusto nyo ba nito? Bigyan ko kayo. Ang dami nito, guys. Comment lang kayo, guys, kung gusto nyo ng ganitong collection. Ay, nahulog.
Na, kulang na yan ng, ano, 1. Hindi na yan magiging 1 million.
Guys, ang total pala nito, 1 million. Grabe. 1 million to, guys. My mom, she has been collecting so much of this. Naging 1 million, guys. She is rich in cents. Kasi she makes sense. Diba? Ay. Ito yung bote, guys.
So, 1 million lahat yan?
Yes! Baka i-hold upin ako dito, guys. Mananapo ako dito, guys. Kasi 10 million, ay 1 million pala to, guys.
Baka 1 million peraso, hindi 1 million pesos total.
Yeah.
Separate mo yung malaki.
But that still means that we are rich.
Yeah, we are rich in 10 cents and 5 cents. I mean,
Guys,
yeah.
I want to tell you a joke, but it doesn't make sense. Gets nyo? Yan yung guys.
Ikaw na ang joker.
Wala, ako daw yung joker, guys. I am not a joke. I am the queen. I am not the joker. I am the queen.
Hoy, sino magtama ng ano ko dito? Boyfriend?
So guys, bakasyon today, pero my mom... Ay, bakasyon. Guys, mga kwentuhan. Holiday ngayon, but my mom chose to go to her office. Ang responsible naman niya, guys. Sana all. Sana all.
Salamat naman na sinamahan mo ako.
Yes, because I am a supportive daughter.
Oh, thank you po. I'm so touched.
O, diba guys, we are both responsible.
Bait mo naman.
Nakahulog.
Mag-shoes muna ako. Try my new shoes. Yay!
Sana all may bagong shoes. Branded ba?
Hindi. Try. Tingnan mo.
Ay! Guys, malapit na exam ko, guys. Mag-aaral ako. So, I will be busy in school for 1 week. Pero mag-vlog naman ako for you guys. Kasi love na love ko kayo, guys. I love you all. I love each and every one of you all because you are unique and special. You are all unique and special to me, guys. May isa na naman hindi totoong coin. Token ata yan sa Tom's World. Ay, ano to? So, how is your day, everyone? How did you spend your holiday for today? Let us know in the comments. Kasi today,
It's Labor Day.
it is Labor Day. Ano nga yung Labor Day?
Para sa mga workers na.
It is all for the workers. We all appreciate the workers for working for us. Guys, malapit na ako tapos. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys!